Bitcoin on the way to 109k. Like mentioned in last week's update video, 2024 election destruction versus the moon. Apparently, Trump's win is creating a god scandal on the weekly. Today, Bitcoin hits a new all-time high of 79,771.66. Is Bitcoin on the way to 109k? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader, and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, COINBASE Global Incorporated, Hut8 Corporation, FOXY USDT, CARDANO USDT, and ETHEREUM USDT. If you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button? It will help me a lot. And for now, let's start with the weekly performance of the crypto market. As you can see, all coins are in green. Amazing week, big numbers. Cardano went up 74.6, Athena 63, Zero 66.3, Nero 103. Amazing week, all coins are strong in green. Gold 77.6. What is this red one here? Oh, no. Here, HTX DAO was down, and that's the only one here. And from the weekly, I will change to the daily. And today's sentiment also amazing. Only a few red ones. Mental Ray, Popcat 1.5, and the rest is all in green. Cardano 34.6, Sui 30.4. Amazing. Bitcoin Cash 14.3, Polkadot 17.4. Nice. And from here I will go to CoinmarketCap. Currently we have a market cap of 2.72 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 136.34 billion. Amazing for a Sunday. That's a lot. Okay, and the top 10 coins, wait, the fear and greed zone currently is 74, which indicates greed, almost on extreme greed. Top 10 coins of today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Binance, Dogecoin, Ripple, Cardano, and Tron. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Look at this. Here, it's amazing what the election can do. Apparently everyone is bullish. All stocks in green, only a few red ones, but overall sentiment is very bullish. Nvidia went up 9.03, GPM 6.30, Apple 1.82, Google 4.18, Amazon went up 5.18, Ferrari went down 4.68, Baba went down 3.47. Yeah, very nice. And from here I will start with Bitcoin. Currently at the weekly. Look at this. Look at this. About 13 hours to close this week's candle. Amazing. 15.77 up from the start, from the opening. Let me change to the monthly. Look at this. Wow. Amazing. It's escaping the whole zone here. And I will go back to the weekly. So if we close today above 71,296, then we will be able to print a weekly gain on next week's candle. And that will be very bullish. We are in price discovery modus now. And I will change to the daily. and I will show last week's scenarios. So the entry got filled over here. That was the entry of 66,928. And if you had played the entry here, then you could have had 19% profits. Amazing. I hope you took some profits. Increase your stop loss. And for now, let me remove the scenarios. $75,637 was kind of resistance here, function as support here, and now the price is in price discovery mode. Okay, so what can we expect? So currently at resistance Fibonacci 0.27, the resistance of 80,000.78. Next one 88,200, and then 97,000. And look at this, from the very start of the impulse till the end, and the price, the Fibonacci ends at almost 109k. So that is the last resistance on the Fibonacci. Interesting. So I'll remove the Fibonacci's and I will go back to the daily. So what can we expect for now? Let me change to the 4-hour. Okay, I will go back to the daily. If you're not in a position yet, you're quite late, but I want to be very aggressive now. Entry at 77,000, aiming for the continuation play, and else if it fell through support at 77,000, then I would wait either for the pullback at 73,130, trying to go up from there, or the entry at 71,296, trying to go up from there. And if the price goes higher from where we are, let's say test 84,000 right away, pullback with the entry at current price around 79,000, aiming to break 85,000. So 4 potential scenarios here for Bitcoin the coming days. And for now, I will go to Coinbase. I've charted this one. It's probably early October, end of September. And as you can see, what happened. We had the daily gains here from the drop off. And the entry here got just front-runed by $1, I think. Entry was at 175.03 and it went as low as 176.38. That's just over $1. But if you pick this one up, you could have had more than 50% profits, about 53% profits. So take some profits there, increase your stop loss. I hope you pick this one up. I'll post a link of the previous analysis in the description so you can check it out if you like. And for now, let me remove this one. So this one played out. I'll remove the brushes. And let me change to the weekly. Let's see if it can test the 345. I will change to the daily. Okay. So if the price goes down, then entry around $220, trying to go up from there. If the price managed to break the 280, and let's say a test around 326, pullback with entry at 280, aiming to break the 345. And if it falls through support here at 220, then I would aim for the entry at 193, trying to go up from there. So 3 potential scenarios here for Coinbase. And from here I will go to Hut 8 Corporation, starting on the weekly. Now let me change to the monthly. Arriving resistance on monthly, the $20.43. And from the monthly I will change to the weekly. It was the previous high, so resistance from the previous high. Okay. I will change to the daily. 1530 already tested. Okay, I'll go back to the weekly and make a plan for the coming days. If the price rejects the 1981, then I would aim for the entry at 13.08, trying to go up from there. And if it loses support at 13.08, the entry at $9.92. But that is a weak sign. I don't want to play this one. I'm interested in this entry here, 13.08. But I prefer to see the gain and the test of $25. And then the pullback with the entry either at 18.23 or 15.94. Let's say 15.94, aiming to go higher. And if the price goes up more aggressive and let's say test around $30 pullback and the more aggressive play, the entry at 1981, somewhere between 1823 and 1981, aiming to break the 3270. So 4 potential scenarios for Hut 8 Corporation. And from here I will go to FOXY USDT. I will start at the weekly. Not a lot of price information, but let's see what I can find. This week the price went up 64%. It arrived the previous weekly drop off to the low here. So far a rejection. And now we'll change to the daily. And to the 4 hour. Okay. I'll go back to the daily and make a plan for the coming days. So if you're not in position yet, either the aggressive play at 1.1 cents, this high risk one. Let me see how much potential. 23. Now I will skip the entry. I would wait for a lower entry, either the entry just above a cent, the 109, trying to go up from there, and else the entry just below a cent, 0.0095, trying to go up from there. Okay, 33, the most defensive play. Yeah, that's much better. And else, if the price continues to go up from here, then I would like to see a gain of the 1.7 cents, pullback entry at 1.4, aiming for the 2.2 cents. So 4 potential scenarios for FOXY USDT. And from here, I will go to Cardano. Nice candle on the weekly. 75%. Finally, the price is going up, and I will start adding some levels. Okay. Let me change to the daily. Okay. Either the entry at 46 cents, trying to go up from there, and else the entry at 39.27, trying to go up from there. And if the price managed to go higher, let's say around 66 cents, then I would aim for the entry here at 51.65. And if the price tests the 72 cents immediately from here, the entry at 59, aiming to break the 77 cents. So 4 potential scenarios for Cardano. And from here I will go to Ethereum. Starting on the weekly, amazing candle this week. Also 12 hours and 40 minutes to close this week's candle, 30.35% up. Let me see the monthly. Yeah, arriving resistance. On the weekly also arriving the drop off. Interesting. I will change to the daily. And I will remove the scenarios of last week. So what would we like to see now? The entry here at 2,857. and then trying to break the 3,271, or else the more defensive play, the entry at 2,746, trying to go up from there. And if the price managed to test the 3,484 immediately, then the entry around 3,058, aiming for the 3,579. And if the price goes higher and let's say test 3,647, pullback with the entry around 3,271, aiming for the 4,000. So 4 potential scenarios here for Ethereum the coming days. And for now, thank you guys for watching today's episode. Enjoy your day and see you in the next one. Cheers!